Welcome back, children, once again. This is Ansu here. I hope you enjoyed doing last week's activity. Let's do another one this week. This week, we are going to do a little further from what we have done last week. Last week, we made a topi, right? Or a cap. I'm going to do a little more steps from that to make a boat today. So let's make an origami boat this week. To make an origami boat, you need an A4 size paper like this. You can take a white sheet of paper or any other color paper. You can use a newspaper to make one. So let's start making a boat today. I'm going to do the first 4 steps the same as what I have done last week. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the paper, fold it in half. Now, like last week, I'm going to pinch in the middle. Why am I pinching in the middle? To just get the middle part of the paper. Like this. I'm going to open. I'm going to fold downwards along that middle mark. I'm going to take the other side also in the same way. And fold downwards. Okay, now that much is done. Now what did we do last week? We folded upwards. I folded this flap upwards. Similarly, do the same process. Turn to the other side. Fold upwards in the same mark. Like this. This was the step we reached last week to make a topi, right? Now I'm going to do a little further from here. This time what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the back side like this, okay, and I am going to fold this flap inside. This flap goes inside. And this flap will also go to the same mark like this. Do it correctly so that you get the output neatly. Again, on the opposite side, we have to do the same thing. Fold inwards and fold this one also inwards. Now, fold the flap and put it back in the same position. Now you get something like this. Okay? Now, the next step is expand the middle part. Can you see it expanding? Now, put these two ends together. Press on the two sides. Now, fold. Can you see the pocket? Now, fold upwards in this mark. And it should touch the top here. Turn to the other side. Again, fold in the middle upwards so that the tip touches the other. Done. Now, you got something like this, right? Now, expand the pocket. You get something like this. Now, you can see that on both sides. Now what you do is put your fingers on the tips like this, on the top like this, and expand. And you can keep it down and press it to get the shape you need. Here is your origami boat. Please make an origami boat like this and send me a picture.